You want to go ahead, dude? You want to go first? Whoa! I was not ready for that. Huh?
That rock thing?
Yeah.
That was like I got fucked on.
Oh, I went right down behind you. There was no going back.
You were yelling?
Oh shit!
I went right, like where we went, I went to the right, just a whisker. I tried to steer left and the front end slid right down. Well, I didn't see that shit.
What?
Dirt jumps.
Yeah, that's the
Yellow thing?
freestyle shit.
Yeah.
I know that's Salvation, it says.
Yeah.
If it's just jumps like that, I'd be down for doing it, because even though it's not.
Yeah.
But my thing is, I don't know what's in front of that.
But you gotta, like, I'm getting pretty good on this run.
Yeah.
You do it like 10 fucking times. Right?
I'm trying to get the doubles now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Especially now that you fixed the suspension.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Go for it. Dude, I went over that rock.
Oh, that big, short, steep one?
Yeah.
The one was like this, like a spine?
Dude, I wasn't even prepared for it. I went up, I looked down, I stepped off the bike, and I was like, what? I caught myself, but I just didn't think it was,
Yeah,
I didn't remember that.
It drops right out. Ain't there another glue or something right here?
No, that was up there. The only other option is green, and then there's this the double black down there, or no. To the right there's a blue, I think, or a black diamond.
Down that, like,
Huh?
road. Like that road right here.
Yeah.
Too much. Like,
If we want to do Alpine again.
pump.
Want to do Alpine?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I guess. Actually, no, it's just that one we did earlier.
What is?
The double roll.
We just did last run.
That was the second
That's what you want to do?
Yeah.
Alright.
I contact that
That's
berm.
the game.
All right, let's go.
That berm gap.
Yeah, the second one I was like,
Yeah.
I pulled. I was like, I got yeah, for the drill. Corn and awesome. Yeah, that's it.
Holy, huh?
Almost took one there.
Yeah, me too. Did you see it? Off that drop in the beginning.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I seen you lose your footing.
If you didn't fix that, just like do that, that would have been another washout.
Yeah. 2 in a row is fucking kind of rough.
Yeah.
See that break?
You wanted to do that. I said we should have did Alpine. Alpine's that real smooth bermy shit on the way down.
Yeah. See, I might walk over here and take a piss on there.
Huh?
Heads up in the rear.
I'm off trail, right? Yeah. Right, this is the end right here.
Yeah.